My name's Akeem Sneed, Phoenix, Arizona, and this is my second DealZone event. And what was notable to me is that I've been interested in commercial real estate, but didn't really know where to start, the different ways in funding, even syndicates, and it really just hit home from day one when he was saying different things, and I'm like, I need more knowledge. I need more knowledge. I need to learn more. And there's always room to grow. I thought I knew enough, need to learn more. So it helps the learning curve with dealing with Cherif, dealing with deals on that. There's always more education, always more to learn. And the more you learn, the better deals you can work out. The better off in these deals, more deals, and then more deals. And being able to just do that and then repeat the process and then go teach other people. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity, and I definitely look forward to doing more business with Cherif and DealZone in the future.